Insulin is a hormone, and hormones are proteins. So that's mean that insulin is protein in nature. Now, proteins means that the building blocks are the amino acids. So the structure of the insulin which will consist of amino acids, different amino acids, their number may be different, or more than one amino acid may be a part of their structure of the insulin. So now we will see that what is basically the structure of insulin. As I told you that it is a protein and it is composed of the different amino acids. Now these amino acids are linked with each other through the peptide bonds, and by linking with each other they form three types of the chains: the alpha chains, the A chain, B chain, and the C chain. First of all, there is the A chain. A chain consists of 21 amino acids, or you can say that A chain is a sequence of 21 amino acids. Now, with the A chain, there is another chain that is attached, and it is the C chain. Now, this C chain consists of amino acids from 31 to 63, and then from the 63 onward there are 30 more amino acids that are attached to the B chain. Now this is the B chain. So we can say that insulin is composed of three type of the chains: the A chain, the B chain, and the C chain. Now here you have to just rearrange your ABC, because the chains are not arranged like A, B, C. The chains are arranged like B, C, and A. First of all, there is the B chain that is connected to the C chain, and then there is the A chain. Here at this side there is the amino terminal, and at this end with the A chain there is the carboxy terminal that is attached. Now this is the structure that is synthesized inside the beta cells. That means that this is the pro form of the insulin that is synthesized inside the beta cells. Now, first the insulin is synthesized in the pro form, and later in the Golgi apparatus, it is converted into the mature form of the insulin. So when it is converted into the mature form of the insulin, the bonds between the beta chain and the A chain, B chain and A chain are created, and then what happens that this C chain actually separate out from the B chain and the A chain. So you can see that this is actually the structure of the mature insulin. If there are A chain, B chain, and the C chain, all of the three chains are present, then it is the proinsulin that is synthesized from the beta cells, and in the mature form of the insulin consists of only two chains, A chain and the B chain, and there is the presence of sulfide bridges or sulfide bonds are present between the amino acids of A chain and B chain that stabilizes them.